Hi everybody, it's Paul Harris with Global Recruiters of Blackhawk here in sunny California. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. As you may know, I run an executive search firm that specializes in the telecom sector, specifically telecom infrastructure, so wireless, wireline, telecom infrastructure. And there was a great show last week right here in the San Francisco Bay Area called TC3 that I want to try and give you a real quick download in the next couple minutes. So if you weren't there, maybe it can help you out and help you figure out what happened there. Okay? So real quickly, so Telecom Council is a TC3 Telecom Council Carrier Connections. That's what the TC3 stands for. It's a 2-day working summit. Companies who build, the networks all come together to share insight, etc. So these are global telcos, vendors, venture capital firms, startups, etc. Every corner of the ecosystem, and just all with the goal of getting the innovation to the market faster. So there's just a couple of themes I want to talk about, and then I want to talk about some award winners that were recognized and kind of throw them a little bit of love as well. So number one themes was obviously smart cities, huge. If like Mobile World Congress, a lot of stuff going on with smart cities. So they talked about several business use cases. There's obviously hundreds of different projects going in the U.S. alone. Several key verticals, smart transportation, smart grid, etc. There's a lot of talk about the funding, so a lot of money coming into the space. And one of the things that was mentioned was in India that they have a plan to build 100 smart cities by 2020, and every city that receives funding is multiple millions of dollars. Also last month, AT&T, Ford, Nokia, and Qualcomm, working with the San Diego Association of Governments, announced plans to test CV2X technology, so that's cellular vehicle to everything, CV2X. It's the first trial of its kind in the U.S., and it's based on the 3GPP base cellular standard that will help vehicles use the cellular network for a variety of tasks, including real-time traffic reports, diagnostics, emergency calls, etc. The world event for smart cities is next month in Spain. As you may know, the Smart City World Expo will take place, and I'll do a review after that as well. Next theme was IoT. Obviously a lot of stuff going on in IoT. We've seen Verizon's building its IoT arsenal and morphing its ThingSpace web-based IoT development platform into a one-stop shop for everything from connectivity to applications. This includes the company's August 2016 $2.4 billion acquisition of Fleet Metrics GPS tracking system, which lets fleet operators monitor vehicle location, fuel usage, speed, mileage, as well as other diagnostic information. And then lastly, in September last year, Verizon purchased Sensity Systems, a Sunnyvale, California, right where we are, based privately held LED lighting company. The goal of the purchase was to build a smart communities offering, again, a whole bunch of stuff going on in smart cities. The awards, these were called the SPIFFy Awards. So SPIFF stands for Service Provider Innovation Forum, and there was 7 companies that got awards based on their dedication, technical vision, and interest from the global service provider community. So these are going to be some companies to watch. So number one, the Graham Bell Award for Best Communication Solutions went to SiteCall. Edison Award for Most Innovative Startup went to Data RPM. San Andreas Award for Most Disruptive Technology went to Veniam. Core Award for Best Fixed Telecom Opportunity went to Daytera. The Zephyr Award for Best Mobile Opportunity went to Ather Air. The Groundbreaker Award for Engineering Excellence went to Sonova. And the Prodigy Award for the Most Successful SPIFF Alumni went to Plex. And also the telcos everyone got to vote on the telco that was the most supportive, approachable, and helpful to young and growing telecom companies, and that went to Verizon, who won what was called the Fred and Ginger Award for the most supportive carrier. So once again, that was to Verizon, so congratulations to all the winners. So you guys, that's it for me. There's a whole bunch of different trade shows coming up, and I haven't really figured out exactly which one I'm going to be able to make it to or not, but as soon as I do, I will do a download and put it on the site here for you guys, and I hope this was helpful. Thanks everybody, have a great day.